Ready to learn the top 3 Amazon KDP alternatives that you can use as a faith-based author to write and self-publish your own books? So a little while ago, I published a video explaining why I stopped selling my books through the Amazon KDP platform and instead started using it as a drop shipping method, meaning I sell on my own platform and then I'll go into Amazon KDP and order an author copy to be printed and shipped to my customer. This is perfectly legal. Amazon gives permission for this, okay? Y'all be coming for me in those comments under that video. Amazon gives permission for this. And the reason why I started doing this was because you make way more money if you just sell through your own website and drop ship through KDP rather than selling directly on the Amazon platform. Now in this video, I'm not gonna go over the numbers. Watch this video if you want to see the exact numbers. I literally published the same book on Amazon and the same book on my website. You will see the difference in how much more money you'll make by doing it on your own website. But in this video, I wanted to go over 3 alternatives that you can use to stop selling direct through Amazon and instead sell direct from your own platform and then just drop ship from the Amazon website. Now, shout out to Amazon. They have beautiful quality books. I love those KDP books. They now have hard copy books. They have paperback books. So let me know if you'd like a training on how to set up your Amazon KDP account so that you can use the drop shipping method. But for this video, copy me, follow along with me. I'm gonna go over 3 amazing alternatives to do this, and you can get started pretty quickly. The first Amazon KDP alternative for self-published authors to use to write and self-publish your own books is Hostinger. It's Hostinger. Now, Hostinger is an incredible website builder using AI. And what's so amazing about it is that you can get started in just 5 minutes or less. I've been selling my own book since 2009, and back then, if you were gonna build a website to sell on, you had to know HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all this stuff. With Hostinger, all you gotta do is type a few words and you have a website that you can sell your book on. It's one of the fastest ways to get started selling books through your own platform. So let me walk you through this step by step. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostinger.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. Go ahead and enter your brand name. So Christian romance novels, and then your description. I write Christian romance novels that feature women living their God-given purpose while falling in love at the same time. Then go ahead and hit create website. Look at this. Look at this. Just like that, I have a website. It takes minutes. It takes minutes. Anybody can do this with Hostinger. It's amazing. So I'm going to hit continue. And now all I have to do is just modify this to sell my book. That's it. And Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you literally click and then adjust, click and then adjust. So up top, I'll click here, click edit section, video, replace video. I'm going to look for woman reading book. It says reaching, whatever. It's all the same. Oh, there's literally a woman reaching a book. Hostinger has an incredible stock portfolio. It's amazing. Oh, she looks so relaxed. She's perfect. She's reading. She's reading. Any one of these with women reading will work for me. Let me select her. Select item. Beautiful. Love and purpose. Explore romance novels that inspire women to embrace their divine calling. And I'm going to need to add my shop. So on the left here, click add store. Click add store. Go ahead and click Manage Products. Select all these products and hit delete, delete. Then click Add Product and add your book. So mine is a physical product. No, actually, just for this demonstration, well, I guess it's fine. Um, get the front cover. I was going to do a digital one because it's much more profitable to sell a digital product than a physical product. But yeah, we'll just do the demo. Okay, AI writes the description for you. How cool is that? Now, because this is print on demand, you do need to add a disclaimer. Please note this book is printed on demand and will arrive within 9 to 11 days of your order. That way, people can make an informed decision. And I think that's pretty much all we have to do. I have to price it for profit. And yeah, good to go. So when somebody orders this book, Hostinger is going to give you obviously their customer address. So you'll log in here, you'll grab the customer address, and then log into your print on demand vendor like press.barnesandnoble.com, order the book, and then have it printed and shipped to your customer. This is called print on demand. So once you're all done, exit out, and this is your shop, and that's so cute. Go back to your home page, and then I would add a section with your book. So click Add Section, select Online Store, select Single Product, click Edit Section, Products, choose Product, Young Christian Love. How cute is this? That's it. And then click Save. So I don't need all the rest of this stuff. So I would pretty much click out of these sections, but you can keep everything. It doesn't, like, this is a blog, so I'll keep that. Get rid of this, and I always keep your contact info because you want to be building your email list. It's so funny that it chose colors that were pretty similar to my book, but you can customize all these colors. So for example, if you click this, click edit button, style, fill color, I can do pick a color and pick the exact color of my book. Isn't that gorgeous? So it matches perfectly. So yeah, just finish filling out your Hostinger store. And then when you're all done, click save, click preview. Look at this. You can build a Hostinger store like this in just minutes. Just minutes, my love. Minutes. You don't have to let the tech hold you up. And this is how you make way more money. You just sell through your Hostinger store. When you approve it, when you're all done, let me just go ahead and turn off this logo because I forgot. Elements, show logo. So when you're all done with your store and you like everything, just hit go live and your website is ready for you to start promoting your book. Thank you, Hostinger. So to use Hostinger, go to hostinger.com/GodlywoodGirl. Use discount code GodlywoodGirl at checkout to take 10% off your order. The second Amazon KDP alternative you can use as a self-published author is your own email list. Your own email list. So a lot of people have been building email lists as authors, and I love this for us because in order for us to be able to make money and actually build our brand, we have to have an audience of people who know us, right? That's how you build a brand. A brand is not what you say you are. A brand is what other people say you are. That's what a brand is. It's your reputation online. And so we have to have a community of people who actually know us to have an author brand. And I love that so many authors are now catching on to this. Let me know if you want a video about how to build your author brand. I am obsessed with everybody building their own brand as a faith-based author. That's how you literally have no competition and you never have to worry about somebody copying you because people will come to you for your stuff. But anyway, that's a whole different video. But I love that we are now building our own brand. We're building our own communities. We're building our own email list, but we're not selling to them. And you can sell directly to your email list. What's really cool is that once you have your book listed on a hostinger.com or PayPal button, you can sell directly to your email list right in their inbox. You don't have to spend all this time doing this massive sales page and doing this massive campaign. Literally just sell to your email list. They're right there and you're building this audience. Now there's a lot of different ways that you can do this. You're going to need an email automation software. So there's a ton on the market right now. Honestly, just choose one that's free and then build from there. I know a lot of people like to invest a ton of money into all these tools and softwares and then just never use them. Don't be one of those people. Use the free option, and then once you're using it and making money from it, invest into a paid option because you know you can get a return on your investment. And that's just some free game for you right there as you're building your business, right? So use one of the free options. There's a lot of them that lets you get started for free. ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, there's a lot. I'm going to show you ConvertKit. I do have an affiliate link for ConvertKit. So I'll show you ConvertKit. It's super easy to get set up. And like I said, they have a free option, but really just choose whatever one you want. So the way this method works is you're going to go into your email autoresponder. You're going to set up what's called a broadcast email. You're going to upload your ebook to them. And then you're going to send a link to purchase right through Kit. And it's really quick to do. I'm going to show you ConvertKit, but you can do this on pretty much all the email marketing platforms now. So if you go to Earn and then you click Products, it'll take you to this page. So make sure you set up payments, obviously. And then click here, Create a Product. And then you'll type in your product name. So let's say mine is Young Christian Love, the novel. And then select Product, Next. You're going to select your pricing. So standards, let's say I'm selling mine for $27. I have a bundle. And then you'll click Next, and then select digital download. Just for this example, I'll just do a newsletter just because it's quicker. I don't have to upload anything. Click Next, and then you'll choose your domain name. You can also upload your own custom domain name in ConvertKit, Young Christian Love, and then click Create Products. And then you'll format this page. So click here, and then you'll upload. Make sure you change this to fit so that it actually fits your cover, your book cover, but upload your cover here. You just click replace, and then go ahead and put in your marketing copy here. Hostinger will likely have generated a very nice description for you. And then here you can click Get It Now, and you can actually hyperlink this button to your Hostinger store if you want to, or you can do it through ConvertKit, totally up to you. And then you'll fill in all this information, the checkout, the confirmation, the receipt email, all that good stuff. And then once it's in, just click Save and click Publish. And then you're going to send what's called a broadcast email. So go up here, click Send, then Broadcast, New Broadcast, and you'll just type in your sales email. So Young Christian Love is finally here. Sis, can you believe it's time for Young Christian Love to finally drop? You can find the link here, and then just add your link to that product page. So if you hit plus, you can just go ahead and click products. Where is it? Did I just skip over it? Yeah, I did. There it is, product, and then you'll select your product. And then once you're all done, just go ahead and click continue, and then choose when you send it. And that's how you can publish your book right on your own email marketing platform without needing Amazon KDP. The third Amazon KDP alternative that you can use as a self-published author, because I know a lot of you guys are going to still want to sell on a book selling platform, is press.barnesandnoble.com. Press.barnesandnoble.com. Even though I'm literally showing you in this video how to get your website up and running with Hostinger in 5 minutes, how to get your email list up and running for free, a lot of you still are going to want to sell on a big publisher platform. It's just ingrained in us, right? As authors, we feel like we have to be on one of the big websites in order for us to feel like valid. And I get that. So for those of you who just like, you ain't gonna listen to me, you ain't gonna build your own website, you just want to sell through a big platform, a third alternative is press.barnesandnoble.com. Press.barnesandnoble.com is very similar to Amazon KDP in that they will drop ship your books for you. So you're gonna format your book for the press.barnesandnoble.com platform, upload it, list it for sale, and then what's really cool is that you can actually sell through barnesandnoble.com. So you can publish your book to barnesandnoble.com through the website, and then as you're doing your marketing, you can send people to your book listing on barnesandnoble.com. So very similar to what you're doing on Amazon KDP. Now, I'm gonna tell you though, just like Amazon KDP, Barnes & Noble takes a very large percentage from you when you sell through their site. Why do that? Just make yourself a Hostinger website and keep your money. Listen, I digress. It's really simple to do. You just got to format it correctly. But again, I highly recommend you just build your hosting your website, get your email list up and running, and sell direct to your customers. So press.barnesandnoble.com is an incredible platform, and it's pretty much equivalent to Amazon KDP. They use the same printer as Ingram Sparks, believe it or not. So you get a really high quality book. You guys have seen me demo press.barnesandnoble.com a million times on this channel, so I won't do it again. But basically, you go to press.barnesandnoble.com, you go to projects, all projects, and you're just going to create a new project, follow the prompts. So make sure you fill in your vendor registration. This is like this is only a demo account for me. I only use it for YouTube tutorials, so that's why mine is not filled out. But you're gonna basically just follow all the prompts, upload your book, and order it. So if you want to see a full tutorial of this, watch my children's book demo that I did. Here it is. You can see how I uploaded this. Once it's approved, you're just gonna click these 3 buttons and click order copy. And then that way you'll be able to get it in the mail. Make sure you like it first. Once you like it, then go ahead and publish it to barnesandnoble.com, and it'll be available for sale on barnesandnoble.com. You're gonna be paying them a very hefty royalty though, so I do recommend you sell it through your hosting your website, but you know, I still wanted to show it to you. Now, of course, none of this actually works if you don't know how to write and self-publish a book. So if you don't know how to write and self-publish your own books, make sure you get into the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School. I literally show you how to write and self-publish 10 different types of faith-based books. There's no excuses. I show you how to do it step-by-step. This is our time to get published. Let me show you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your own business as a faith-based author, watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I'll show you how to do it step by step. And don't forget to watch this video with even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.